I'm Alex, you're watching Out in the Lights. On this channel, we talk about things like EDC, fashion, and minimalist packing. And today we're checking out the Bellroy Cinch Bucket Bag and packing it up for a weekend trip where we only bring along this small bag. Grab yourself a coffee and let's get into it. The 9-liter Bellroy bucket bag is made with mostly recycled nylon and currently comes in 5 different colorways, including the oat that you see here. At just 7 ounces, the bag is super light and easy to carry. Now, this type of packing is not going to be for everyone, but if you're really looking to simplify your travel, then let's check out the features of this bag while packing it up for a weekend trip. So the first thing you'll probably notice is the Bellroy branding here on the front. Just have that little tab. Over here, you'll also find the owl logo on the front button. But yeah, I think it blends in pretty nicely with the bag. Definitely not too flashy and goes along with the color scheme here. You have this nice button pocket in the front with an elastic band to give it a little more room if you do want to put something a little bit larger in there that will stretch a little bit. Also in here, you'll find your key leash. So yeah, just a basic little key leash in here. Also, behind this front pocket, you'll find a little slip pocket, kind of like a little hidden slip pocket there. On the sides of the bag, you have 2 spots for water bottles, and they're pretty decent sized. Yeah, decent sized spots there. Water bottle or like umbrella pockets here on the sides. Then, going to the back of the bag, no pockets back here, pretty simple. It's gonna be against your body, so pretty simple there. You do have 2 handles here if you do wanna carry it more like a tote. And then you also have this decent strap here if you do want to carry it more in sling mode. But yeah, this thing is very comfortable. The bag is super light, so this does a really good job of keeping your carry comfortable. So yeah. Let's move into that main pocket now. As you can see, it does have this little cinch here. So if you tighten that up, you kind of cinch the bag like that once everything's inside, and then you can tighten it from there, keep everything inside. Opening this up, you can see this bucket bag is basically a big bucket pocket in there. You'll see it does have a little zipper pocket in here as well for any smaller accessories or things you want to make sure stay in the bag. You also have your beautiful YKK zippers. So yeah, nice zippers on that too. In here, a couple little more branding spots. You have your little owl logo there on this orange tab. And then a little message that says, this bag is designed to go with you, twist, turns, leaps and bounds for years to come. Very cute Bellroy. And another little tag here with the Bellroy logo, and then it just says designed in Australia, made in the Philippines. So there you go. And that's basically it. It is a very simple bag. As you can see, at 9 liters, it does have plenty of room to be able to pack up for a weekend trip. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We'll start first with some of our clothing. We'll just bring 1 small packing cube. This will fit really well inside. But in here, just have a couple pairs of boxer briefs, bring a couple pairs of socks, and then we'll bring a couple t-shirts. We have our Beta Band t-shirt, and we also have our We Can Discover the Wonders of Gritty shirt, which is one of my favorite shirts that I own. Very cool. All right, so let's pack that back up. But yeah, you really don't need more than that. or at least I don't need more than that. Maybe some people do, but obviously if you do need a lot more clothes than this type of packing is probably not going to work out for you. You're definitely going to be able, or going to need to bring a larger bag, a backpack, or something for a weekend trip. But if you do think you can travel minimally like this, I do highly suggest it because it is quite freeing to be able to just bring this little sling bag along with you. So there you go. As you can see from the top down, we got our clothes in there. It takes up a decent amount of space, but there is definitely more room for other things inside of that main pocket. Next thing we'll put in there is going to be our toiletries, and those are going to go in this little pen case, this little pencil case, which is from Field Notes and Bellroy. Awesome collaboration. Obviously, two of my favorite companies that I cover here on the channel. So just a bunch of toiletries inside there. Nice little Bellroy Field Notes tag inside as well. But yeah, you can really fit quite a bit in this little pen case, especially just for a weekend trip. So let's go ahead and slide that in next to our clothes. And there you go. Both things are kind of good to go in there. We do have a little more space in here, and I think we can fit these in here. So we have our over-ear headphones. These are just some cheap ones from Sony, but honestly, they don't sound that bad. And that's coming from someone who previously worked in hi-fi. I don't mind the cheaper over-ear headphones, especially when you're just going on a flight or something. I don't know. I don't need like the super noise canceling one, so something like this is fine for me. But yeah, I'll let you be the judge of that for yourself. So anyway, we're kind of all packed up in here. And then just back here in that little pocket, I think that's gonna be a good place to keep our passport. So keep our passport nice and safe in there. You just kind of zip that in there. If you need to get it, still easy to access. So yeah, not a problem there. Let's go ahead and cinch that up with that little rope. There you go. There's kind of our top area is done. So we got a couple more spots to fill here. Let's go ahead and put a water bottle in that side. So we do have this little REI Nalgene water bottle I've been using for years, but I love this little thing. At 16 ounces, it's like the perfect size for me. I don't ever need more than that, especially like when traveling. Just bring it in like that without water, fill it up. Super easy for your flight. Okay, next we have a couple more spots here. Let's go ahead and pack this back little slip pocket here. I think a Kindle is going to fit in here perfectly. Like I always say on here, trying to read more, so bringing that along. And that just slides into that spot so nicely. Look at that, we're all color coordinated too with our greens. How you like that? Lastly, we have this pocket here in the front. And for that, I'm just going to use or put a phone charger in here. So in case I need access to my phone charger, just put that in there to be able to charge things up very easily during the flight. Also leaves a ton of room in this front pocket for like when you're going through security and traveling. You can easily do things like throw your wallet in here or put your cell phone in here. That way, when you're going through security, you kind of just button that up, keeps everything nice and secure and tight in there. Then you don't have to worry about it when you're going through. Pretty tight in there, as you can see, but it is going to work. Just take it out afterwards, put it back in your pockets. You're all good to go. So I do like that. I like utilizing that pocket and keeping it a little bit more or less packed out so that I can do that. Just making the whole experience like very simple, very easy. Anything to help the flying process and make it easier, I think is a win. So, but yeah, that's basically how we pack out this little bag from Bellroy. As you can see, we have everything we really need for a 2-night or long weekend trip. So what do you think of the Cinch line of bags from Bellroy? I'm really digging this bucket bag. I love that you can carry it as a tote or as a sling. And honestly, I think it's a great place to start if you are testing out this type of weekend travel where you're only carrying a tote or a sling bag, because it's lightweight, it is well made, and it is really easy to pack out. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this bag. Also, if you enjoyed today's video and you aren't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, give a like, leave a comment. It does really help get this video out to as many people as possible, and I really do appreciate that. Also, if you do like this bag or some of the things I packed in today's video, there are affiliate links that will be in the description below. So yeah, please feel free to use those too, as it does help out the channel and help me to be able to make more videos like this. But yeah, with all of that being said, as always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.